Morning, everyone. Cribble Tales 5 coming at you once again. Another little tale. Currently, I'm listening to a book entitled Four Laws by David Burke. And this is an RPG related fantasy fiction. And I'm thinking, okay, RPG stands for role playing game. Now, within that construct, there is what's known as a stat sheet or statistic, certain numbers assigning to certain traits: agility, strength, speed, durability, and so on. And I'm thinking, okay, throughout my life, I've never really had any, pardon, extremely intimate encounters. Now, it'd be quite funny as we age if we had, for example, when we were in our adolescence, all of a sudden the voice came on in our head saying, ding, you know, a male or female voice depending. Um, Came on in our head saying, "Ding! You've gained a new stat, agility +1. Ding! You gain a new ability, rigidity +3," and so on. And someone with a disability in that construct, it would be a little bit harder. The more that we um, experienced it, the, the more statistics we would gain. Um, let's say, for example, you were having an issue with this, and all of a sudden you got a notification that said, "Ding, rigidity -5." uh, but, I mean, the concept to me is actually quite hysterical. Uh, and with me not having any sort of extremely intimate encounter, then my stat sheet would be pretty low. In fact, the stats would probably be around 2 or 3, maybe. But once again, this is just a fictional construct of the whole thing. But I found it, you know, myself quite funny because as we age, as we all know, our hormones and our intimacy levels drop. And all of a sudden, when when you get an intimate relationship as you get older, um, you'd be disappointed all of a sudden get a notification, a green light, and saying, "Ding, uh, you've been poisoned. Rigidity -5." uh, but I just found that one a little bit, I mean, actually quite humorous. Hey, dude, I mean, I couldn't, I can just see the image in my head of someone's partner saying, "What the hell is going wrong with your ass?" It's like, sorry, honey. I can't seem to perform tonight. Um, can we do a rain check? Uh, but, you can apply that construct to quite a bit of things, but I'm thinking, okay, well, since intimacy and disabilities are hand in hand, I mean, we all have to have intimacy, but it'd be quite funny to have that construct on that front. And I mean, really, just for the absolute absurdity of it, for the humor, and just to see the look in your partner's face saying, "What the fuck happened to you?" Anyway, um, if you would, ladies and gentlemen, I would appreciate it. Hitting the like and subscribe to the channel, as well as any comments that are more than welcome. But until then, this is Cripple Tales 5 signing off. Thank you.